Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Today we are here in southern Germany in the city of Stuttgart. This city is located in the Bavaria region and is the capital of the state Baden-Württemberg. We are going to stroll around the city center, do some sightseeing, visit the stadium of the football team of Stuttgart. But before all of that, we're going to visit the Mercedes Benz Museum right behind me. Let's go! In Stuttgart you can find the head office of Mercedes-Benz. Here it all started for Mercedes, and in this museum, it's the only museum in the world where it showcases 120 years of Mercedes-Benz history. So in front of me you see the Mercedes Museum. There you have the head office, the center of Mercedes-Benz, and there behind it you have the factory.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing.
It was a very nice museum. Me as a Mercedes-Benz driver myself found it very interesting to know the history about Mercedes-Benz. Now let's go to the stadium of VFB Stuttgart, and it's right across the street behind the trees. The Mercedes Benz Arena is the home seat of VFB Stuttgart and is a must-see for every football fan among us. The arena seats around 60,000 people and it's one of the most modern stadiums in Europe. So it was a fun tour around a very nice stadium, the 5th largest stadium in Germany. Also, VFB Stuttgart is doing it very well in the competition in the Bundesliga with the 3rd place currently, very close to the end of the season. Now let's go to the city center. I'm now walking on the Koningsstraße, the main shopping street of Stuttgart, and there's no traffic here, so you can walk in peace. We are now passing the Stiftskirche of Stuttgart. We are now passing the Schlossplatz. In the center of the city you will find the Schlossplatz, the place in Stuttgart where there's always something to do. For example, many open-air concerts and festivals are held here in the summer, and in the winter you will find here an ice rink and a Christmas market. So as you can see behind me, there are so many people here just chilling on the grass, relaxing. I'm going to find myself a nice restaurant or maybe a bar where I can drink mojito or something else. And after that I will end this travel video in Stuttgart.
When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you go.
So behind the Neue Schloss you will find the Oberschlossgarten, also a beautiful park. I think I found a restaurant. So guys, that's it for me here in the city of Stuttgart. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Location, and I will see you again in another location. Auf Wiedersehen.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.